All right, guys. Let's see. We're working on Apex 568. Um, there we go. So, 10. Let's see. Alrighty. Let's see. All right. So, I haven't been around a couple of days. I blew my accounts. Just give myself a little break. So now we got 5 new evals. So let's see if we can pass 1 or 2 of them today. All right. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Just popping up from. We've been going up the entire 3 months. Looks like it's not ever going to stop. So let's see what we got going on here. I'll mark out the dailies, the tops and the lows, high and the lows. Sure, we got it right on there. All right. It's the daily high and low from yesterday, kind of in the middle of it. So now we're just going to put down to the 4-hour. It's really at that pivot point. Four-hour just bouncing around. Let me change these colors right here. I'll go with orange for the pivot points. Where are the dailies? So we know that's a daily. We'll see about this. And is this a good 4-hour trend line? Maybe. I think a better 4-hour trend line would be here. Oh. Let's see, we'll go to 60-minute. We don't have really any news today. I do want to mark some highs and lows from the 4 hour. You know, it seems like this is an interesting line on the 4 hour. It's only 20. But I feel like if we get up to past this, we can go up. Not definitely this low, but really it's this low. And if we get down to here, we're definitely coming down. We're going to be hitting these areas. I really like this area right here. Alright, well, market's about to start. Let's see, we'll do 15 minutes, see what we've got going on here. Yeah, I really wouldn't want to take a trade until we're down here. No. And right now we're just bouncing around here, playing highs and lows. You know, let's go to that 5 minute. I mean, there isn't much we can do right now. Just sit and wait. I hope you all had a good Memorial Day weekend. I did. Went to the Springs. So London's basically just been bouncing around in between a range all night. And I'm working on my background. My background's supposed to be finished here soon, but taking some time. So let's just check to see what oil's doing today. Let's see what oil's doing. Oil's pumping today. So, and we get down to here. I want to make a nice trade right here, all the way down to here. Just depends. I like that. I like this right here. We'll see what it does when it bounces. And coming down here all the way down to here, it's pretty good. 459 to it's 100. But we're not going to do anything for another 10 minutes. Let's see what type of reaction we get off this little line right here. Because we're definitely going down to that. We'll see what type of retracement gets up here. Will it get up to the halfway point of the orb? See about it. Nope. Blasted right through that. I mean, we're in this little box right here. So we got a good reaction off that. Saying not yet. Let's go to the 2 minutes, see what it's looking like. And again, like we're even in this box for, I don't know, how long? Since 1:15. Really, we could tighten that box a little bit more. So it's pretty much around this area. So came up, tried to hit some highs, didn't happen in the 5 minute. And then we just took a dump. So it looks like they're still in control. But we'll see. Yeah, they're still in control. They're gonna push this all the way down. So remember, this is where I really, oh, this is a really good one too. It's where this pivot point's right here. You can take it off this bounce as well with the trend line. Like to see it retest the middle of the orb. I mean, we're outside this box now, finally. Have we hit this? Yeah, we've hit that, yeah. Oh, next is this part right here. This area, 371. 429. Could we take a trade off this? I mean, I really like this right here. I mean, it's showing some strength down. Yep. But we're gonna follow our rules no matter what. Wait for that orb to close. Maybe it'll pop up at right here and continue its way down. But as you can see with the 2 minute, seeing a lot of strength just pushing down. Let's kick on the 500. Just seeing this nice see what type of how it bounces off that. We can get rid of this. We don't need that anymore. And we'll see what type of reaction it gets right here. Blast through here. See what type of trend line, or let's see what type of reaction it gets off this trend line. Can take a Three more minutes for the orb. Let's check in on our 5 minute. So right now they really don't want to push through here. I'd love to see a 5-minute close off this area right here to continue downward. Yeah, I really didn't like this area. It said, hell no, get the fuck out of here. Don't even mess with that trend line at all. So it's coming back up to the midpoint. Now, again, I would really like to take this trade because we can just take it from here. Keep a nice little short stop loss. We'll see what it does in the midpoint of the orb because we're about to close. This is about to be the 15-minute. Getting a strong reaction off that. That's not bad. And we're back in this box again. I'm going to draw that box one more time. We didn't really... this is really just the box that I want to just really just concern myself with. Because if we just come down here, you know, we're on this 5-minute. If we come down, you know, we've got 3 minutes left. It looks like to me we're in a really good area for a short. Yeah. Really good area for a short. I really just want to take this, you know, lower low, higher low. Like, to me, it just seems like a good trade. At least down to the bottom of the orb, right? Be nice to get down here a little bit. All right, we're tracking for this little guy right here, 530. What are we doing? We're going to all-time highs here. We've got this little... No, we've got a... I mean, at a 500 tick, you can't really make a good assumption. So we closed here. on the orb, and now we're just pumping up into the top of the orb. So we'll take a quick look, a little quick. I mean, right now, if you see the 1 minute, it's losing steam. Do we take a sell here? It's a huge stop loss. There's nothing telling me that it should be taking a short at all. So we're just gonna wait. We're still in that box. You know, either way, we'll go at the top of the orb. But, you know, right now, longs are looking good. And it looks like oil's setting up a little bit of a flag. So longs are looking good. And we got some all-time highs. Let's see, where do we shoot for? I think we shoot for this. We're going this area. Let's see if we can make that a green. Wicked lime. And that's 66 to, it's not bad. 70-point move. Let's see what happens when we get off this orb. This 2 minutes of just ripping it. Remember, we want to see a 5-minute close above that orb. We'll move down to the lower time frames. Is it gonna hunt for that? That's big right there. Take a quick 10-point move, but where's our stop loss in that? Yeah, there is no stop loss, but is it gonna hit that? Of course. Bulls are in control. Again, we want to see that 5-minute. How long do we got? Got 2 minutes. So let that pass up. We can make a trade up in here. And if it takes off this 5-minute, I really see it going and shaking out the all-time highs from London. Definitely from London, 67. It's only 20 points. This is back from 6 a.m. really just like to see a good short, but all right, we got a minute left to close off the 5 minute. Definitely gonna hit that. Let's see what type of retracement once this takes out these highs. It'd be nice to see a bounce off the EMAs and then continue up. This is definitely a market structure shift right here. If we can close above it. But again, I like to see a bounce off these EMAs. So we got a minute 33 or 27 seconds off that. I'd really like to take this long. So we got a new 5 minute candle. See what type of bounce they get on this EMA. Blasting through it. We'll go down to the 500. I think we take a sell here. But again, we're going against the trend, so we will stay within our boundaries as far as making sure we stay within our rules. And that's it. That's all we do. On the other chart that I have another Apex account, so really we're just trading 2 out of the 5 today. But as soon as I hit this, I'll hit that other one as well. Come on, get out of that. You know, it looks like we're definitely going up. Just, we'll see. Got 2 minutes. So this next, oh yeah. So I definitely hit it. Strong reaction coming back down. Sellers did not like that. So we got a minute left. I'd really like it to come back into retest the 15-minute orb, and then we can take a nice trade up. 59, like 70-point move. And we're finally closing above the orb. You know, 30 points above it, but let's test that orb again. So now we can move down to the 2 minute, see what kind of stuff reactions we get. This is horrible right here. So the 5 minute close above the orb. let's push down back here. You know, I like to see it come down here. Yeah, I'd like to see it come back down here. And yeah, oil's going sideways. Still trending up. I like for us to tap into the orb again, since we closed on it. But it looks like we're not even gonna try. We're just gonna say, hey, we're gonna keep going up, no matter what. We want that green. Well, it'd be nice to come back down, get the fill, and ride it all the way up to the green and ultimately orange. This is really looking like this is going to be support now. Yeah, it looks like it's still going really good support. We take it. I still think it's coming down here. And popping back up. Come on, get the fill in. Get the fill. Get that fill in. Do we maybe move it up? Nope. It's big. It's 60 points. Again, I really wanted to test inside this orb. But it's really, this is proving to be like it's being like its support now. It's acting as support right here. I could take a buy what, 88. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it right here on the stop if it comes in. If it comes in, it comes in. It is what it is. But we will go right here. And we'll sell limit on this. Sell limit on 34. Got some support that oil is trying to push through, so hopefully it pushes through and we continue our rise up. Let's see, 692. Doing good right now. $310. See, my stop's at 66. Move it up to 80. Well, again, if it tests the it's having some trouble, but there's nothing really stopping it from hitting green. Except oil bumping. That would be a problem. But oil's just in a range right now. Could just chop me all out. should have been down here when I got in. But again, like, you try. We're just going sideways. Come on, Bulls. You're not done yet. Still getting hit. But again, this green, we go back to the 5 minute. We pull this back over. Where we're getting a lot is like right here. So we just need to push through this. Hit that, keep going. And the 5 minute shows us that, we're kind of gonna make a move down. But hopefully not. And this is our direction. Our direction's up. The direction is up. Bulls needs just to step in and start pumping this price up. If you look at this 1 minute, it's just looking so shitty. You take out that high. There we go. Two more minutes looking good. I feel like we got 392s right around the corner for us. So we'll see. Keep going. I want to pull my stop up right here. I don't really feel confident bringing it up to break even just yet. Especially on the 1 minute, We'll see. We're pushing through it. Let's just keep ripping. Yep. Keep ripping. So now it's basically a free trade. I really want it to go right up to these all-time highs right here. And really, I'll just bring it down to this so we just get what we need. No, will we make 1,000 today? Can we? I really don't want to. No, it's intraday, so well, you got to take profit when you can, right? So 632. I mean, if it pops down, takes us out. But you know, we get a $600, $500 day. That's not bad. And that's all you need. You know, 5 times 5 is 2,500 for a day, and that's fine. What do we got? 500 for the day. Do you want to chance it? No, I'm not chancing it. I mean, 500 for the bucks for the day is great. Trying to be consistent, not trying to break everything. I'm trying to close easy evals out in a day. So 500 is good for today. You know, again, not going to be staying on for 100, 2-3 hours like some other traders. I want to be in and out. So we did good. We'll see what type of reaction we get off these EMAs on the 2-minute. Oil's trying to pump up again, but it's getting pushed down. I mean, can we take another trade? Yeah, we could. We could take another trade from 602 and have a nice quick 10 points from here, but I just don't want to risk it. Just don't want to risk it. Nah, we're not even going to risk it. See right there, we just lost like 60 bucks, but I just don't want to risk it. I think we're good for the day, guys. I don't want to be popping through here again. Yeah, it's going to push through that EMA. I just didn't want to risk it here. So again, guys, good luck trading. Again, this is just for entertainment. Tomorrow we'll try to get up to 1,000 and see what we can get from there. Wish we would have taken this 200 pointer. Crazy. But hey, that's we got 568. That's not bad move. But you guys have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow morning. See ya. Peace.